At Saint-Gobain Canada, sustainability isn't just a priority, it's part of our purpose. Every day, we work towards making the world a better home. And we do so by striving to develop solutions that perform exceptionally, reduce our environmental footprint, and help our customers make smarter, more responsible choices. As leaders in light and sustainable construction, we believe in leading with innovation that truly makes a difference. Lanaé, our latest insulation advancement, is truthfully designed with sustainability as its core. This product reflects our ongoing commitment to creating a sustainable and efficient future for Canada. Better for the planet, better for installers, and better for families.
Welcome to CertainTeed Insulation Plant, where innovation meets practical sustainability. With Lanaé, we are delivering an enhanced insulation solution that provides exceptional performance, ease of installation, and significantly reduces environmental impact. Lanaé represents our commitment to continuous improvement and innovation.
From a research and development perspective, Lanaé is a result of targeted improvement based on our customer needs. It has achieved many certifications, including Green Guard Gold, UL Flame and Smoke Spread Rating, and a full CCMC evaluation, all without sacrificing thermal or acoustical performance. Rigorous lab and field testing ensure it remains durable, resilient, and consistently reliable over time.
Our supply chain team is working diligently to ensure Lanaé reaches customers across Canada both effectively and reliably. We've optimized logistics and distribution processes to provide faster, smoother, nationwide deliveries while actively reducing our carbon footprint.
With Lanaé, we are introducing an improved version of our product which our customers already trust. It's softer, easier to handle, with enhanced recovery and rigidity, without compromising thermal and acoustical performance. We have also updated our packaging, introducing grey bags for steel stud applications, helping our warehouse staff visually differentiate the product, and clearer infographics to simplify identification and installation for our applicators.
As leaders in light and sustainable construction, we are committed to driving meaningful innovation across Canada. With the launch of Lanaé, it marks an important step forward, delivering advanced insulation solutions that are customer-centric. With Lanaé, you're choosing a reliable, energy-efficient solution that benefits your projects and the environment, making the world a better home.